Hey everybody, my name is Kristin Wilkinson. I'm with MVP Realty and today I am with Jason Lane of Lane Insurance Group. We're going to be talking about binding insurance during hurricane season. And Jason, I'm going to let you introduce yourself and then we're going to get right into it.
Hey, Kristin, thank you. Yes, Jason Lane, Lane Insurance Group. We are a father and son family-owned insurance agency located in Estero, Florida, but we serve all of Florida and been in business now about 12 years. Started from scratch and happy to serve our friendly realtors and most of Southwest Florida.
Awesome. All right. So first and foremost, why are we doing this? This is a little excerpt out of the NABOR contract. Under Section E, Standard 2, we have the availability of insurance and services essential for closing. Basically, we're doing this because we're in hurricane season, and if you can't bind your insurance, you can't close. So it's really important. So here we have the hurricane cone. So important things just to kind of note before we get into this is that hurricane season starts June 1st and ends November 30th. The cone says nothing about the storm's impact or size. So even though it looks really big, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be big. It just means that the cone is representing the track of the hurricane center, and it indicates the probable track of the storm center, not the whole storm. So with that being said, Jason, I'm going to let you take over. There we are.
Yeah, if we can go to the next slide there. This is Tower Hill Insurance, one of the oldest insurance companies in Florida. And as you can see the box, there's two boxes. One's a blue box and one's a beige-ish box. And the importance of this, once a hurricane gets anywhere in the beige box, insurance companies will stop binding. Why do they do that? Because everybody that doesn't have homeowners insurance, a hurricane's coming, they call up right away and they try to get coverage, and then Tower Hill's insuring, well, all insurance companies would be insuring a risk with, as we know, a very dangerous and deadly storm. We did have Dorian, which you just posted. Irma, I'm still getting claims on every day. And if you look at the blue box, that is tropical storm. So once a tropical storm gets anywhere in that box, then companies will shut down as well. So the hurricane box is obviously a little bigger because they're more powerful storms. Now, most of these storms, we just had one kind of pop up in Mexico and then just head straight north. We've actually had 3 tropical storms so far this year, 2 making landfall in the US, and it's only June 12th. So early, very active season. But like I said, that one started in Mexico, headed straight north up into the Panhandle in Louisiana. That was last week. Crystal Ball is the name of that one. But most of the storms, as you know, Kristin, will come from east to west. So when they come into the Caribbean, as you can see in the beige box, and for those of you who've been in the Caribbean or the Virgin Islands, once a storm hits basically St. John's or the U.S. Virgin Islands, so just west of the British Virgin Islands, then companies will shut down and you can no longer get insurance. Now, if you're paying cash for the property, obviously you can do whatever you want. You can still close. Most people won't want to close with a hurricane bearing down on the house and buying it without insurance right away. And then mortgage companies, if you have a mortgage on the property, then they will require you have insurance. So there's no way you can possibly close because you don't have insurance bound. So with it being a very active season, we recommend as soon as you know and have that firm closing date, call us, get it bound. No matter what, you can close. Right. Also, something to bring up as well, now flood insurance. Flood insurance through FEMA is a 30-day wait. So unless you have a mortgage, then you can bind it. But if you don't have flood insurance and you kind of wait to the last second, say, you buy, it's not required by the bank, you buy the house, you don't have flood insurance, don't think that you can call for flood insurance a week out because a storm's coming. it's a 30-day wait, and it's a 30-day wait for that reason.
Sure. Good information. Thank you so much. If you have questions about binding insurance, if you're thinking about purchasing a home and you just want to talk to a professional, you can always reach out to Jason. Jason, where can we contact you?
Yeah, you can reach me at 239-947-7474. It's 947-7474, or laneinsurancegroup.com.
Okay. Thank you for watching. And as always, we're here to help. If you have any real estate related questions as it pertains to hurricane insurance, please contact your trusted MVP Southwest Florida RE Group agent. Thanks, guys.